Casablanca, Morocco. Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Have you been searching for detailed information on where to visit in Casablanca, Morocco? Tired of reading non-genuine information online? If yes, then stay tuned because I'm about to show you the interesting places to visit in Casablanca right away. You probably have had a lot of imaginations on your mind when you heard about the city called Casablanca. Which city is this? Probably was your first imagination. Well, Casablanca is the main gateway to Morocco and many visitors' first taste of the country, as it is home to the primary international airport. This bustling city is Morocco's business powerhouse and industrial center, with a modern vibe that is not felt in other parts of the country. Discover the best places to visit in the city with our list of the top attractions and things to do in Casablanca. Number 1. Take a tour inside the Hassantou Mosque. The Hassantou Mosque dominates the entire city. This mosque was completed in 1993 and it's the second largest mosque in the world, covering 2 hectares in size with the world's tallest minaret. The surprising part is that this prayer hall can accommodate 25,000 worshippers, while the courtyard can accommodate extra 80,000 worshippers. Non-Muslims can visit the mosque on free guided tours, which are run by the mosque. The tours begin at the mosque's western entrance several times a day. Number 2. Mohammed V Square. Mohammed V Square is the central plaza of Casablanca and is home to many of the city's important official buildings, including the main post office, Palace of Justice, Prefecture, French Consulate, and the main Bank of Morocco. Just take a stroll down to Rue Tahar Sabti and Boulevard Mohammed V to admire some of the best preserved building facades. Number 3. Casablanca's Medina. Although Casablanca's Medina doesn't have the same historic atmosphere as the Medinas of Fez and Marrakesh, the maze-like tumble of alleyways is still an interesting area to stroll. The Medina here mostly dates from the early 19th century, with the skull of the earliest building works here dating from the era of Portuguese control over this part of the coast in the 18th century. As the district is a combination of market streets and residential, it's a great place to experience the pulse of Casablanca life. Number 4. Enjoy some sea air along the Corniche. Looking to enjoy sea views and cool sea breezes close to downtown? Stroll down to the Hassan II Mosque and the eastern end of Casablanca's Corniche Road from here. The Corniche Road trails west from here, along Casablanca's shore, all the way to the city's beachfront district of Ain Diab. On sunny weekends, Ain Diab's section of the Corniche is a great spot for people watching, with plenty of local families heading here for picnicking and promenading. Number 5. Visit Casablanca's Cathedral du Sacré-Cœur. This graceful cathedral was completed in the 1930s, and its architecture is a perfect blend of both European and Moroccan styles. Unfortunately, it wasn't maintained over the past few decades and is now in need of serious restoration. But even in its current dilapidated state, the structure is still beautiful and still attracts thousands of visitors. When you knock on the gate of the cathedral, someone will attend to you and you'll be able to see the cathedral's impressive interior. Number 6. Shop in the Central Market and Souk-Caboose. Casablanca's bustling Central Market is a must-see for tourists who want to throw themselves into the midst of city life. Right in the city center, the market is where locals come to buy and sell everything from fresh produce to household supplies. It's also home to plenty of cheap restaurants serving up nourishing portions of traditional Moroccan dishes. If you are looking for a more souvenir-oriented market, stroll down to Souk-Caboose in Quartier Abouz, south of central Casablanca. Number 7. Hit the beach in Mohammedia. This amazing beach is about 28 kilometers north of Casablanca. Although home to Morocco's second largest port and related industries, Mohammedia has plenty of laid-back charm. Many visitors' objective is to visit the beach. During summer weekends, when half of Casablanca seems to have decamped here for the day, the cafes and restaurants bustle, and the sand buzzes with activity. Number 8. The Museum of Moroccan Judaism. This museum is where you can learn more about the history of Morocco's Jewish community, which stretches back 2,000 years. The museum itself has a long connection with the local Jewish community and was used as a Jewish orphanage. When you visit, you'll see exhibits of photographs, traditional costumes, religious objects, and dioramas, tracing the rich heritage of Moroccan Jews, concentrating on Casablanca's Jewish community. Number 9. Day trip to Azemmour. Azemmour has a history stretching back to Punic times, and a wonderful handful of sites showcase that long tenure. Azemmour's beach is also one of the best along the Atlantic coast and is a well-kept secret. Indeed, half of a Zemour's charm lies in the fact that nobody else seems to stop off here. Number 10. Explore El Jadida's UNESCO-listed citadel. El Jadida, 102 kilometers south of Casablanca, is home to a sea-facing, UNESCO-listed 16th-century fortress that is worth stopping by to explore any journey heading south down the coast. You can crawl up onto the protecting barrier for excellent sea views and then walk through the lanes where various sections of the fortress have been preserved. Make sure to visit the atmospheric cisterns in the center of the fortress, which was used as a filming location in the famous Orson Welles movie Othello. Number 11. Day trip to Walidia. This charming seaside village, about 182 kilometers south of Casablanca, has a chilled-out vibe that's perfect if you're tired after visiting Morocco's bustling cities. Walidia is a favorite stop for foodie travelers wanting to sample seafood. Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below your thoughts, give this a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to keep you updated for more information.